Let's assemble my new shampoo vacuum together. I don't know how it's called anyway. So I've got the hoover one. I hit the carpet, and these kids are killing me. So I was like, I'm not just gonna get a simple vacuum. I'm actually gonna get like vacuum shampoo, something. This is gonna be my first time doing something like this. I have never shampoo a carpet. You know, I know the vacuum, but shampoo no. So let's see how this is gonna work. I call a company, baby. They told me 150. You know, I can afford 150 every time to shampoo this vacuum. And you know, if you have kids, you gotta shampoo this thing. If not, the color's gonna change and all of that. I hate it, man. I just hate it. Oh my god. I hope I'll be able to assemble this thing by myself. I don't like doing things like this, to be honest. But the kids are in school, and hopefully by the time they come, let's see. Oh Lord, and I don't be able to do this. Hopefully by the time they come, I'm like, if not, I'm gonna be looking. Oh, this phone is not even working. Oh Lord. At least this is the handle. And I can see it's like it's lightweight. Let's see. So far, this thing says trial solution. It is nowhere to be found in this thing. Let me see. You're kidding me already. See? Is this what it is? This is urine and stain eliminator. But where's the trial solution though? Like for real, where's the trial solution? I don't see it. It's not this. Definitely not this. It says urine and stain eliminator, but where's the trial solution? See, I don't like stuff like this. See, already it's not in there. That's it. Okay. Not on this side. Lord have mercy. How did this thing go? Where's the paper? Seems pretty easy, right? Position onto foot. Because on the thing is supposed to be like this. I think I got it. Yep. Phew. I got it. Shampoo the whole house. So we are definitely ready for Christmas.